George Matthews with Building Energy Compliance Testing in the San Francisco Bay Area. Today we're here with the blower door. We're going to do a blower door test and negatively depressurize the house and figure out how leaky the house is. The blower door test is the single most important building performance test there is because it figures out the entire house's shell's leakiness. Once we know that, then we can use some performance parameters and get to where we want to be. Some really energy efficient houses are extremely tight. Once you do that, then you go in and put in a continuous ventilation system. Okay, so we're going to turn it on and negatively depressurize the house. There it goes. Takes a moment to ramp up, ramps up slowly. So what we're going to do is, after it's depressurized, we're going to go around the house and we're going to go to the most notorious leaks. We're going to look at the fireplace, we're going to look at some electrical or plumbing penetrations, and also the attic ceiling. Just see the attic hatch and see how well it's sealed. Okay, so we're at about 50 right now. We're at 1500 CFM, 1,500 cubic feet per minute of air is leaking into this house. So now we're going to walk around and find I'm at an electrical outlet right now with the blower door running. The house is depressurized to 50 pascals. And I run my hand in front of this and I can feel quite a bit of cold air coming out of here. Even in brand new houses that have been supposedly air sealed well, I'll do the same test and I can feel a lot of air coming out. So a great way to remedy this, it's very cost effective, is to take these little foam pieces and we take the electrical cover off, put this on, and that gets rid of mostly. I can still feel a little bit of air coming out, but it's much better than it was before. So if you do this on all of the outlets, and you could also spray foam around the plumbing penetrations, you'll get rid of a lot of the air leakage in your house and become much closer to where you want to be in actually containing the air, because you've got to contain the air before you can control it. In front of the fireplace, this is usually about the biggest leaker in a house, and even though the flue is closed, it's still leaking a lot of air. I can feel a really large amount of air coming down through there. So the way we fix that is by getting something called a chimney balloon. And a chimney balloon is something you can order on the internet, and you blow it up. First of all, you need to measure, anyway, when you buy it, but you blow the thing up and it just seals up your fireplace. And of course you want to take that out before you have a fire. Right now I'm in a bedroom underneath the attic hatch. And the attic hatches are very leaky. The last, I think, 38 of 40 attic hatches I've seen have not been sealed properly. They're supposed to be sealed with foam all the way around the outside, and they're supposed to have insulation of them. Most of them aren't. If you live in a house in California, you probably could benefit by sealing up your attic hatch. There's a lot of air coming in, so we're going to get this fixed. Okay, so we've concluded our blower door test. We've run the blower door, negatively depressurized the house, and then we've found a number of places in the house that leak quite a bit of air. So now we know exactly what we need to do in order to seal up the house. Once the house is sealed, then we can move on to doing a good ventilation system for the house. This is George Matthews, Building Energy Compliance Testing in the San Francisco Bay Area.